Alright, so using the nr1606, just wanted to show. Get the remote. So, if we kind of look at the TV, 1080i with zone 2 on. Well, if we turn zone 2 off, remember marantz, see, we're in 1080i and in a 1080p LCD TV, not the 4K Sony in the other room, but okay, now the marantz is on, and you will see the TV just went to 1080p.
And in doing so, she actually killed the child and herself. She was from a very prominent family.
Okay, you can see here when it passes through the nr1606, it is going to a 1080p signal. When it's passing right out of my cable box into the TV, it's going a 1080i signal. So, obviously, passing through the nr1606 will upconvert it to a 1080p, or, as we see here, yes, it will fully do a 4K 60p HDCP 2.2, and it will upconvert to 4K.